Hello everyone, we're back with another modern deck. I call it Milling and Forces. It's a milling rogue creature deck and it's $40 plus post. Let's take a look. Draw number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, got one swampy. I'll draw. One land. Pass the turn. Turn 2. Play a land. Play a land and a rogue. Play a land. Gain a life. And I'll play the other one. I'll pass my turn. Excellent. 4 manas. I'll use it on this. Double blue. Scry 2. Draw a card. 1, 2. Ah, damn. Didn't get what I wanted. Put them both at the bottom. Draw the card. Ooh, now I did. It's all good. It's all good, people. It's all good. It's all good. It's a 1 minute. I thought it was a 2 minute draw. My mistake. Pay 1 black. Flash whenever it enters or another rogue enters the battlefield under my control. Each opponent mills 2. As long as the opponent has 8 or more cards in your graveyard, Thieves Guild Enforcer gets +2/+1 and Death Touch. And my opponent mills 2 on turn. Pay 1 black. It's a rogue. They mill 2. My opponent is it opponent or target opponent. Each opponent mills 2. So each opponent mills 2. 1, 2, 3. Flash flying when it enters, target opponent mills 2 cards. So one opponent has milled 4, the other has milled 2, and I'll end turn. Don't really need attack. You can. 1, 2 land, 2 islands, 2 blue. Tapping. Deliberate. Scry 2 and draw. 1, 2. I'll get the rogue. Draw the card. I'll play the other rogue first. 1, 2, 3. For the Shadow Stinger. 3 mana. Tap an untapped rogue you control. It gains the touch into in turn whenever it deals combat damage to a player. That player mills 3. But with my guild, each opponent mills 2. Just a fun, quick deck. 1 black. Cast that. Mill 2. 1 black. 2 black. Opponent's now milled another 2. Put my land right way up. Pass turn. Ooh, hey! Another one. So now there's 2 of them. So when it enters, and with the card effect of Thieves Guild, each opponent now mills 4. I am my turn. So whenever I cast it, whenever another rogue enters the battlefield under my control, each opponent mills 4 in total. I'll cast Index, 1 blue. I'm very tongue-tied. 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them back in any order. So I'll go for... put this on top. And put all my scry stuff. That's it, done. Enter. Cast it. If it enters, then each opponent mills 4. I'm turn. Deliberate. Pay 2 blue. Scry 2. Draw a card. 1, 2. I'll put that at the bottom. Don't need land. Draw the card, which would be this. And I've got just enough blue to play it. Preordained. Scry 2, draw a card. 1, 2. Cool. Don't need the land. Into the bottom. Sure, I've got 2 swamps untapped if I'll pass the turn. Draw. 1, 2, 3. Cast the Dancer. If it enters, each opponent mills 4, and one opponent mills an additional 2 from its own card effect. Preordained, scry 2, draw a card, 1, 2. Cool. Keep those scries. Play that. Casting it. And just play. Each opponent mills 2, 4, 6. Each opponent mills 6 from that card effect. I end turn, so whenever I cast or play rogue, whenever a rogue enters play, each opponent mills 6. Serum Visions, draw a card, and scry 2. I like Serum Visions, but it's weird. You draw a card, that's the card I draw, and scry 2. 1, 2, don't want them. Don't need land. I end turn. Play land, and just battlefield tapped, gain a life. I pass. Play an island, pass. Ooh-wee. Cast that. If it enters, each opponent mills 2, 4, 6. Got 1, 2, 3 lands tapped. Pass turn. Swampy down. Pass. I'll cast. Play land first. Draw a card. Scry 2. There's my draw. Ooh. 1, 2. Nice. Cool. Now I'll cast the other one. If it enters, each opponent mills 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 in total. Welcome to the Canadian Mouse. Thank you very much for watching. This is my Milling Enforcers for $40. It's a modern 60 card deck. Thank you for watching. Farewell for now.